How to verify your identity on RBC Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can verify your identity on RBC Bank. So to do that, first of all, open up the RBC mobile app and simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, tap on the more option on the bottom right corner of your screen and then choose the option profile and settings. Now under security, you'll have to tap the option verify my identity. After that, you'll have to choose any one of these three options over here. You'll have to either take a photo of your ID, so it can be your driver's license, your passport, or your provincial ID, or you can also answer security questions about your account or explore other ways to verify your identity. So I would recommend using the first two options, as these are the most easiest and the most trustworthiest. So simply, if you choose the first one, you'll have to take the photo of your front of the ID, back of the ID, and take a selfie. And if you choose the second one, you'll have to basically answer a series of questions they ask you. Now once you've done that, once you tap on the option review and submit, you'll have successfully verified your identity on RBC Bank. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.